If you need to remove someone from a shared Google Calendar, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to take away a person's access from your calendar, step by step, so you can keep your schedule private and fully under control. This is perfect if someone no longer needs access, if you're cleaning up old sharing permissions, or if you simply want to make sure the right people can see your events. If this video helps, please take a second to hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the Google Calendar website. Once you're signed in, look over to the left side of the screen. Under My Calendars, you'll see a list of the calendars connected to your account. Find the calendar you want to change. This is important because if you have multiple calendars, you want to make sure you're editing the correct one. Next, click the three dots, also called the More menu, next to that calendar. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Sharing. That will open the settings page for that specific calendar. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Share with specific people or groups, or in some accounts, Shared with. This is where Google Calendar lists everyone who currently has access to that calendar. Here, look for the name or email address of the person you want to block or remove. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the right person, especially if several people have access. Once you've found them, click the Remove button or the X icon next to their name. The access is removed right away, so that person will no longer be able to view or edit that shared calendar depending on the permissions they had before. If you want to double check, you can refresh the page and confirm that their name is no longer listed in the sharing section. And that's it. You've successfully removed a person from your shared Google Calendar. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference when you want to protect your privacy and keep your calendar sharing organized. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.